Hi, in this video we will go over how to set up ZenduWork. ZenduWork is a mobile and web platform that will allow dispatchers to assign work orders to drivers. The first thing we'll do here is go to Management and assign a region. So for this region we'll just name it as Toronto office, and just input the address that you have here. So once you're finished, just make sure on the map that the location that you've entered in corresponds with the map location. You can zoom out to see if it's correct, and we'll just go ahead and press save. What we'll do next is add an asset. So an asset is basically a vehicle. Here I'll just enter in the vehicle name and asset type. So there's a car, small truck, and a heavy truck. There's three different icons, so you'll be able to distinguish between the three. And the main difference here is when you optimize a route, you will be able to get different routes depending on the type of car. For example, all heavy trucks cannot go on small residential roads. So for the purposes of our video, I'll just type in a car, and I'll type in the license plate number, and I'll select the region. And actually we can select the region over here on this drop down menu, Toronto office, and you can see that it changed here as well. So I'll press save, and the next thing we'll do is add a new user. So project, so this will be the login credentials that the driver or dispatcher will have to enter in order to log into ZenduWork. John Smith is the user's name. In region Toronto office. Is he a driver? Yes, he is. And the vehicle that we just created, Batmobile, is his car. And I'll just write down his address once again. It'll be the same as the region. You can input a different one if you would like. Canada and Ontario. And here, John Smith, you can see he is an eager worker, so let's say he works 7 days a week. And you can enter in his phone number, and what this will do is on the mobile app, other drivers can contact John Smith, and they can call him through the app. I'll hit save here and save the user, and the next thing we'll do is create a form. So here is a customizable form that the driver will have to complete when they reach a geofence, and you will have to complete these field labels. I'll just write sign here, and I'll have a drop down menu that says was it on time. Simple yes or no. And I'll add a new item. No. And then I'll give a form name, test 1. I'll save the form, and I'll create a new template. So template, and when you're assigning a work order, you have to choose the template that the driver will have to complete when they're at the work order site. So template name, test one, let's say, and you can choose between the different work orders. For today, I'll just write down as make it a service. I'll edit here, and so what we have here is pretty useful. So this is a geofence update. This is an automatic form. The driver won't have to worry about submitting because once they reach the geofence, their phone will automatically update the system, and it will complete this arrival form. So I'll add another customizable form that we just created. Select driver status, no status change. Select driver form. It was test number 1. So I'll hit save, and that was saved successfully. So this concludes the end of the setup video.